8:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm T-Speaker222 with Dogecoin and you, and we have some breaking news. Ethereum is starting off very hot post-daily close. We're trying to break 3,500, and this is excellent news for Matic, as now everybody who's in should likely be in the green. Like I said, I bought a little bit at 157, majority around 166, and also one at some 172. So when I average it out, it's about 165.6. So I did a good job bringing it down a little bit. I'm definitely in the green, and I'm still feeling real good. We had a good trade earlier in the week, and now we're trying to pick this one up and bring it home, ladies and gentlemen. So we got to trust in what we're doing, but Ethereum is looking real good right now. Breaking out over 3,500, and that's going to pull Matic with us. I'm telling you, we're just waiting for one big spike. Let's take a breath here, because now everybody should be in the green, even if you got in at a weird level. So what I want to do is go through a rapid fire here. If you want to join our Dogecoin and you community, we have 35 people in the swing trade community. We do active swing trades, and right now we're in Matic. We had a $1.66 average buy-in. We also have some people that are still in from our initial buy-in at a $1.49 or a $1.55 at the golden ratio. A $1.72 is the golden pocket, and the moment we use this as support, we're going to take off to about the 188, 190 level real quickly. In my opinion, we're wound up. We've retested. So you get all of this. Some people are in Litecoin right now because it's kind of matched up. So in the Dogecoin New Army, we have 41 people in here. Wow. Okay, so I was a little off. So we're talking about everybody. This is us right here. This is our little community. There's no bullshit. And we don't speak of any other charts. We just talk about what we're talking about. We focus on what I'm putting out. And we, as a group, have decided Matic was a good trade. Or Litecoin. There's a few others. Some are in Doge still. But this is the active trade. I have all the information about it. We have the current trade set up. Matic 166 or the golden pocket 172. My average entry is down now because I actually bought more. We got to switch this because I bought more because this was before we actually went down. So 172 ended up being 40%. Actually, it ended up being way different setup because of the way I did it. We'll just keep it like this because it's going to be too confusing for everybody. It was easy when I only had the 2 entries, but I ended up having 4 separate entries. So 165.8 roughly. I'm just going to say 166. I'd rather it just be on our support level because it's tiny below, but everybody knows in the community how I did it. Litecoin average 128.8, Doge 0.1180, and that active, these people are still in this. And we also had AVE at $155. Some of us transferred out after the first 18%. Some people are still in. Just depended how you played that trade. Obviously, everybody who's out wishes they were in. But the trade moves on. The day moves on. So now we're in Matic and we're trying to look positive. So anyhow, we see Ethereum. We're at the bottom of the channel in the breakup, like I was saying, to the top of the channel. Our first targeted move out of here, and I've already measured it out, is 39.28. So you see this engulfing candle in the daily. This is huge. That's a huge move. In the weekly, we're looking very strong, and the weekly ends in 2 days. So I predicted that we might have a very nice move this weekend. We crossed on the weekly. The daily's being supported, and so is the stochastic. So we could have an explosive move here. The same thing goes for Matic. The daily, look at that, guys. An engulfing candle after a red candle. And it was red, but we made a hell of a comeback on this one. And now we have an engulfing over $1.72. This is huge. And what we're looking for right now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're in Matic with me, we're clearly looking to break $1.75 and get on top of this drop point. And then we can be off the races. That's a big bull flag. We've already retested it way down to $1.56. And we are primed to run, ladies and gentlemen. We just need to take the proper steps. Pay attention. We bounced off of the RSI in the daily, which is a huge sign. We bounced off the stochastic as well, which means we can make some high run-ups in the daily. The 4-hourly, like I said, we have the hidden divergence. We made a bullish divergence. Price action came through the trend line. Stochastic, it looks like it's going to get bounced off of, and there's a W reversal there. So this is all looking very healthy. I'm not saying it's not going to go without moments of pullback, but we could get an explosive move here to start the weekend. Holy shit, Bitcoin's over 47,000 now. I didn't even realize that. We have ADA at $1.18. Bounced off support at $1.09. Our next support level is $1.26. And we're really looking good here. 4 hourly, we're looking good. The daily time frame, we've already started a bullish divergence. The 20 came through the 50, so looking solid. Especially if Ethereum keeps going, this would help propel us up very, very quickly. Doge held support on the 20-day at around 1320. We're looking good on Doge. We fell outside of the channel, so we're going to have to get back in the channel before we can make a serious move. But the 20 is about to cross the 50. And just not even being in the channel, you can see we started a little weird type of support structure here. If we want to look at it like this. Whoops. It's more like this. So we came back within this support structure at least. So that's actually more accurate. But Doge is looking good. Coming up to the top of the channel would give it a boost. We have to get above 1538 to remain this bullish thesis. But like I said, with Ethereum moving up, this could be a big explosive move. Shiba's up 1.76%. Bounced off the 20-day as well. It broke out of its symmetrical triangle. Back tested it yesterday. Now it looks to have an explosive move. First target we have to clear is 2958. And then we're off to the races to about 3256. Make sure to hit that like button. Consider joining Dogecoin and you. I am the best in the business, most accurate in the business, and we didn't even hinder yesterday when the market was crashing. Told everybody to go to sleep, turn your phone off, and look where we're at now. Stay blessed, everybody.